Hello and welcome back, children. Today I am here to teach you EVE. We shall continue with chapter 7, page 56. Clothes. Feathers and fur protect birds and animals from heat and cold. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain. Children, as feather and fur protect animals and birds, in the same way we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. We wear clothes according to different seasons. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. Why do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes. We wear light cotton clothes to keep us comfortable. In the rainy season, we wear raincoat to protect ourselves from getting wet. So children, why do we wear a raincoat or use an umbrella? To protect us from the rain. We also wear special clothes for special occasions such as our birthday, on a marriage ceremony. So we all wear special clothes on special occasions such as birthday, marriage ceremony and festivals. Uniform is a special dress. We wear uniform to school. Some people wear uniform to work. As we see, a student wears a uniform when he or she goes to school. A nurse wears her uniform to go to the hospital. A policeman wears his uniform to go to work. A pilot wears his uniform to fly the plane. Children, now come to page 58. Food. Every day we perform various activities. Our body needs energy to be able to perform all these activities. Energy comes from the food we eat. Food helps us, number 1, to grow, number 2, to become strong and healthy, number 3, to remain. Children, why do we eat food? We eat food because it gives us energy to work and perform different activities. It also helps us to grow, to become strong and healthy, to remain fit and active. The main meals. We eat 3 main meals in a day. Breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. We should eat our breakfast between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. in the morning. Lunch. We should eat our lunch between 12 noon and 2 p.m. Dinner. We should eat our dinner between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. in the evening. Along with these main meals, we may also have a light evening snack or meal of a fruit or milk. So, children, the three main meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. We should always have a wholesome meal. And we should always have our meals on time. We need to eat different kinds of food. Fish, eggs, milk, pulses and vegetables give us protein. Our body needs proteins for growth. So fish, eggs, milk and pulses give us protein for our growth. Chapati, rice, butter, sugar and bread give us energy to study, play and work. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins and minerals which help us to stay healthy and fit. Also, we should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. That is why we need to eat a balanced diet which has all types of do's and don'ts of eating habits. We should chew food well. We should chew our food well so that we do not get choked. We should take small bites and eat our food slowly. We should always chew our food and eat slowly. We should never waste food. We should always take food which we are able to eat. We should never take extra and waste. Wasting food is a bad habit. Unhealthy food items such as burgers, chips and aerated drinks come under the category of junk food. We should try to avoid or eat less junk food. Eating all these food from outside and having cold drinks is not good for health. We should not talk or watch television while eating. Children, we should not talk or watch television while we are having our meals. It is a bad habit. We should not eat too many sweets and chocolates as too many of them are bad for our teeth. So eating too much of chocolate and sweets can harm your teeth. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood the lesson and keep practicing and reading the lesson. Bye.